Mustang coupe. No, don't be sorry, I'm filming myself.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, everybody thinks I'm filming the cars. Sometimes I film myself. You guys probably think I'm filming myself too much. Maybe, I think he does right now. He's not saying it, but I think he's thinking it. How's that Bruce Springsteen song go? Cadillac, Cadillac, long and dark, shiny and black. That's my really bad imitation of Bruce Springsteen. Let's take a look at this Cadillac. Designed by Enzo, designed and built by Enzo. Enzo designed and built. I guess I could have read that better. They need more coffee. This guy loves his Cadillac. Perfectly imperfect. I like that. And that is a Cadillac lowrider. Engine bar is pretty detailed. No matter what your car condition is, you love it, and it's a project, and it's something you want to do. And don't let anybody put you down on anything you're doing on the car. It's your car. You do what you want. What is your name?
Homer.
Homer? Okay, Homer's like, he said, I'm not the talker. I said, you can do it, Homer. There's Homer.
Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing?
Tell him, I gotta lean over here to get you bigger. Tell me about the shop. The Dub Shop?
So we're Dub Magazine.
Dub Magazine.
We started 21 years ago.
21 years ago?
Yes, sir.
What's your specialty?
Man, we do it all right here. We do from rims to vehicle wrap to window tinting, selling our merchandise here. We just do it all from everything.
And where are you out of?
California.
California?
Yes, sir.
What the heck are you doing in Philadelphia?
It's putting a great show on for you guys.
So
out
you
here.
guys kind of international, and you don't care. You're not a local business.
No, we're all over.
All right. So how do they get to you? What's the website?
You could go to dubmagazine.com.
Dubmagazine.com. D-U-B.
Magazine.
Yeah, you spell magazine.
M-A-G-A-Z-I-N-E.
I knew that. Dubmagazine.com, guys. Check him out. He's a good guy, and it looks like they love what they do. All right. Homer said that I should do an interview with somebody here, and I want to find out how she is spontaneously. Yes, MustangMedic brings you, once again, another beautiful woman spontaneously. How do you feel?
Great.
What are you guys doing? What's the thing?
We're talking a lot of crap back here right now.
You're talking a lot of crap?
Yeah.
She's keeping it real.
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to tell the viewers? They're Mustang guys.
Oh, yeah, so...
Do you like Mustangs?
Oh my God, no, I am an import freak. I like 2Js.
What's that?
Toyota Supra.
Oh, well, see, I'm old and all I do is focus on Mustangs. But once again, I just wanted to show you another beautiful woman on video. And I always tell the viewers it's my sacrifice, being this close to a beautiful woman. But anything you want to say to sign off?
Yeah. Everyone come see the Philly Auto Show next year.
Next year. This is the last day.
Yeah.
Well, you still can come now. Well, no, you won't. You're going to see this video tomorrow. It's going to get edited tomorrow. Thank you.
So come next year, 2020.
You'll be there?
Yes, always.
There's a reason. And you can race cars here at the auto show. And you can crash them too. Man, it's a good thing they got a tough body. Oh. It's gonna be tough just to make one lap.
The frustration of restoration.